Yesterday we have discussed about the uh, wave theory of light, different theories related with uh, nature of light, etc. Yesterday I have concluded with the hygiene's principle. I am going to repeat the same principle, which is useful for our further bits. I repeat, hygiene states that every particle on the wavefront acts as secondary source of light and emits light in forward direction. A common tangent to all the hemispheres gives the position of next wavefront. Using this principle, we are going to construct the spherical wavefront and plane wavefront. There are two types of wavefronts. One is spherical wavefront and another is plane wavefront. First of all, we are going to construct the spherical wavefront. Spherical wavefront. The construction of spherical wavefront fully depend upon the principle, hygiene's principle. Let us see how we can draw the spherical wavefront. First of all, consider S is a source of light. Generally, this is the primary source of light which emit light in forward direction. S is source. Yes, source of. Yesterday we have taught about the velocity of light. That is, if c is the velocity of light, if c velocity of light, velocity of light, then distance cut by the light with velocity c in time t is given by d is equal to c into t. Just a basic formula. Velocity of light is equal to distance upon time. Using this formula, we come with this equation, that is distance is equal to c into t. Light from source S travels in forward direction. In time t with velocity c, light cuts distance equal to d. Okay, let's write. Suppose light travels distance equal to ct in this direction. Also, light travels distance same equal to ct in this direction. It travels in all possible directions. Similarly, light travels distance equal to ct in time. These distances are not in proper ratio. It is the deficiency of compass. Right. Join all the points which are in same phase and same distance from the sources. Join all the points which are at same distance from the source, that is primary source. The locus of all the points, according to Hygiene's principle, the locus of all the points gives the position of next wavefront. That is, suppose xy. What is xy? Xy is the wavefront. we have to construct the position of next wavefront. Suppose P, Q and R are the points on the wavefront plexus, that is spherical wavefront. Look at the shape of this wavefront. It is like a sphere, spherical wavefront. Point P, Q and R act as secondary sources of light and emit light in forward direction. Also in all possible directions, not only in forward, it emits light in all possible directions. Taking c as its velocity, then distance covered or travelled by the secondary rays in time t is ct. Same. Then taking ct as a radius, draw hemisphere to each the secondary source. As you know, as the radius of each hemisphere is same, then all the hemispheres are in same. Draw a common tangent according to Huygens principle. Draw a common tangent to all the hemispheres. Suppose x dash y dash. Next tangent is x dash y dash. X dash y dash is the common tangent which is drawn to all the hemispheres, gives the position of next wavefront, that is x dash y dash is our next wavefront, which is the construction of spherical wavefront. Suppose a small part is taken from the spherical wavefront, then it would be a plane wavefront. Small part of a sphere, or we have learned about this, the small part of circumference is a straight line. Similarly, small part of sphere is a plane wavefront. Let us construct the plane wavefront. We have studied spherical wavefront. The next one is plane wavefront. Plane wavefront. Remember, plane wavefront is nothing but a small part of spherical wavefront. Okay. Let us draw this. Suppose P, Q and R are the points which are on the primary wavefront, emit light in forward direction. In time t, light cuts, distance equal to c. Nothing, any new concept. Light cuts same distance in same time, in same medium. Taking ct as radius, draw a hemisphere. Taking ct as radius, draw a hemisphere to all the points. A common tangent, according to Huygens principle, a common tangent to drawn to all the hemispheres gives the position of next. This is called as plane wavefront. Similarly, you can draw secondary sources on the plane wavefront. and you can construct the position of next wave. Okay friends, this is all about the construction of spherical and plane wavefront.